As far as seeing what's going on inside, well, you can see right here, I could easily turn on and off just clicking on the eyeball. I can also grab that enclosure, right click, there is isolate and unisolate, and opacity control. I want it 20% opaque. I almost said that right. Here it is 60%. So I've got that type of work that I can do, and I can go up to inspect and go to my section analysis. Took a moment to find it. There we go, section analysis. I can be parallel to any flat face or my origin planes. And of course, it's going to the opposite. So let me flip that over. There we go. And I've got a drag arrow, and I've got a drag angle. A couple of them actually. So I can set this where it's useful to me. When I say OK, there we go. And up in the browser, there's my analysis, and there's that section I just did. So I can turn it on and off. So quick look at some ways I can look inside my design.